Oh, I don't know. Slow you down.
Speed bumps.
All right, let's go again. There it is. He ain't doing no playing. Hey, listen. My young kids at home playing Fortnite and mad and homework not getting done. My boy in the garage building some stuff. You see what I'm saying? This might be inspiration for all you guys right here. Quick pass to the middle, wonderful. Let's go, guys. Quick pass, but in a hurry. 82 inches. 82 inches on the cover. He didn't come here to do no crime with you guys. Majestic's Miami. Wagon coming in. Going from Clarksville, Tennessee. It's a double pump wagon. If you're here ready. In the meantime, of those, I think it might be time for another t-shirt or two.
Now you're getting hot, motherfucker. You're getting hot. But you still not. I must.
bumper. He didn't do no playing with y'all. I just come solo.
I need a contract.
She is still talking about this.
She moves so quick. She moves so fast, she drives.
Some things up a little tighter, you know what I'm saying? You might just sprint from here to there a couple times, get your legs warmed up. You know what I'm saying? Look, do a couple of leads. We're going to get you together. I'm going to get you together. We got to look, work with me. Come on.
I ain't trying to cause no problems. I ain't trying to cause no problems.
You might go over here to the pole back. If I can time you.
Yeah, we ain't trying to do no smoke.
Hey, listen, I'm back to you.
These jalapenos tearing me up out here.
No, hold on, man. Don't blame it on the jalapeno. We ain't got time to hear that. What I need to know is how fast can you go with this pole back as fast as you can. I'm talking about, hey, if you ain't burning the grass up when you're going through here, we gonna have a problem.
You know what? They showed that day they put. I had to pick somebody else to run. I'm 52 years old. I ain't trying to do all that.
Hey, I'm just trying to get the shirt. You know?
I wait till next time.
All right. We do not have firefighters.
Nice, fresh, ice cold water. Oh my God. Like my cold water.
How many for it?
There you go.
Love you, man.
Make sure don't come back home.
Cold water.
What? You serious? Check up the lockup camera. Yeah, make sure everything's
Yeah, I ain't got no back.
Now guys, if you haven't seen this car in person, this thing is on the bumper very fast.
We don't know yet. We don't know yet. We haven't even tested it.
Every time Dre brings his car, he literally just hits the switch one time, it's all on the bumper. This guy's car is like, every time he just hits the switch one time, that's all it takes, you know.
Well, it was built by the
So because they went to the bumper on the first day, it's probably Dre's fault. I don't see a sticker on there, which you should order. Oh, Uncle Brenda.
Yeah, you don't look good on gray. It really looks very happy.
Are you making an excuse for right now? I swear to you, man. This car right here was built quick, fat, hurry as well. PPE, start to finish. He said, "I'm gonna do this just right on." 24. Is this for sale?
Catch it.
Now, guys, this ain't your
But then I did it.
62 model right here.
It's okay.
This thing right here is
I have extra
business.
He's about to.
Put it down, y'all.